Hello everybody, Professor D here. Today we're talking about Jamboards. What is a Jamboard? A Jamboard is an online Google whiteboard and it is free. So to get started, you have to first sign into your Google Drive. If you don't have a Google Drive, sign up for an account. You have free apps that you can use. So let's get started. So you see that I'm in my Google Drive. I'm going to New, I'm going down to More, and I'm going over to Google Jamboard. And it's going to bring up the Google Whiteboard. And as you see, it says Untitled Jam. You just click on that and you can title your jam whatever you want to title it. I'm just going to call it Test 1. You can change your background to any background that you want. This is a ruler. This is squares. And then you have your graph. And then you have your different colors. So I like the first one, which is dots. I don't like it clear. I like it with dots. So then you can use your pen. But there's more than just the pen. You have your marker, you have your highlighter, and you have your brush. And you can use any color you want. But I'm going to use the pen. And if you wanted to write, you could. And then if you wanted to erase what you wrote, you can just click on the eraser and erase what you wrote. Or you can go to the undo button. It's up to you. But what we're going to use this for in our web design class is for the sticky note. So we're going to click on the sticky note and we're going to type in our website idea. So I'm just going to put idea 1, and if I want it to be a yellow sticky note, I can have a green sticky note, a blue sticky note, or whatever color I want. But I'm going to stick with yellow, and I can say save, and I can have idea number 2. And I'm going to say cancel. So if I wanted to actually draw a line, I can click on pen. I can hold down my shift, and I wanted to connect these together, holding down shift, and I'm just drawing the line with my mouse. Okay, so that is a way you can draw the line. I'm going to undo that because I don't necessarily want that line. Just wanted to show you how you can change that. So if you wanted to use your select tool and you wanted to move your ideas somewhere else on the page, you just click on your select tool and then do it again, and then just move your ideas or your sticky notes to wherever you like. You can draw circles if you want, and it's more than just a circle. Let me just see if I can get it up. You have different shapes that you can draw if you like. If you're presenting, you can use the laser, and let me just, and it will show you exactly what you're highlighting for your presentation. Okay, so if you want to put text in there, you can just click and then you can type any text that you want. So I'm just going to put test 1 just so you know that it's working, but I'm going to undo that because I don't want any of that. And if you want to go on to another jam, but you want to keep this board, you just click up top and you're going to create another frame. Okay, and I can always go back and forth. And if I want to clear this jam, I'm just going to say clear frame, and it will definitely clear. See, it's clear. So there we go. So I can undo it and it comes right back. So I want you to share this with me. So you could click on share, and you can put in my email address for the school, not this email address, but the email address for the school, or you can click copy link and then take this link over to Canvas and copy it in Canvas for a grade. Well, I hope that clears everything up, and you know now how to use a free online whiteboard from Google that's called Google Jamboard. And I'll see you all in the next lesson. Bye-bye now.